Hello to all my fellow crochet lovers. I'm Tagreed, and welcome to the Crochet Creators page and channel. I would love for you to introduce yourself and let me know in the comments which country you are watching from. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple flower. You can use it to embellish a crochet jacket just like I did, or add it to any other project you're working on. I am using a 4.5mm crochet hook, which is the perfect match for the thickness of my yarn. To start, create a foundation chain in multiples of 3 plus 2. For this project, I have made a total of 23 chain stitches. 21 is the multiple of 3 plus the 2 extra stitches. Skip the first chain stitch to act as your turning chain. Starting in the second chain from the hook, work 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch, and another double crochet all into the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, and in the third stitch, work 1 double crochet, 1 chain stitch and 1 double crochet all into that same stitch. Repeat this pattern until you reach the end of the row. Row 2. We are going to work directly into the spaces created by the chain stitches from the previous row. In each chain space, work 5 double crochet stitches, placing 1 single crochet stitch between each double crochet. Repeat this sequence across the entire row. Now let's start working on the leaf. To begin, make a foundation chain of 12 chain stitches. Skip the first chain stitch, and starting from the second chain from the hook, work as follows: 1 slip stitch, then 1 single crochet, followed by 1/2 double crochet. Next, work 5 double crochet stitches in the next 5 stitches. Then 1/2 double crochet wong, 1 single crochet wonga, and finally 1 slip stitch. Chain 1 to turn. Now we will work on the opposite side of the foundation chain using the exact same sequence of stitches: 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and finish with 1 slip stitch.